Okay. Oh, yeah, tell us, pressure man. Go.
Okay. For precious snake issue, Mr. Gabriel, anybody he sees it because he's a loving man, he can say, this person is my sister, this person is my doctor, this person is my brother. That's his style.
So Mama Precious Meg, not be junior mama, senior mama, Orike.
I think Mr. Gabriel is on this live show. Maybe he will answer.
Precious Meg tell me say is mama auntie. Precious Meg tell me say mama and the mother of Orike na auntie. That your grandmother and Mama Orike na they be the same papa we come born Mama Pressure Meg. So Mr. Orike, you and Pressure Meg not be cousin.
For blood relative, for cousins, they are not related. That's just the fact. But
Hey, Pressure Meg. Very sweet, but that just go be your mama senior brother.
I want to say here is this. Mr. Gabriel, if he wants sleep with woman, you know the classes of women we go sleep with.
Wow. So
Dion can sleep with anything under skirts. Mr. Gabriel is not like that. I just want to put that Mr. Gabriel cannot bring himself so low to sleep with himself.
Fetanya no where they are since whether Orike is sleep with Pressure Meg.
You know, God forbid that I reject it in the name of Jesus.
Oh my God. No wonder. Okay, tell us what it can cause problem for them.
What it cause problem? You say, well, for me, I am really disappointed at Precious Meg.
Okay.
If me and Mr. Gabe, we the guy issue, but we know the kind of social media, we take it inside the house. That is what we call family. Precious Meg came out to say Mr. Gabriel was the one that sponsored the saga between Collins and he went to pay Frank. And which is when I called him.
Mommy Emily, come.
You understand me?
And
also, the reason why Mr. Gabe wrote that and said, I'm feeding you, now it was because of anger. Mr. Gabe is not this kind of a person that will do something for you and he will use it to laugh you.
even if you use and laugh on social media, but there too full social media.
Okay.
Go Pressure Meg, we go beg you finish, eat your food finish, go they talk anyhow for us. Why you not go disgrace her? That's the way be beggar, go they talk like say na human being. Nobody will not go do one.
You said that the star, Mr. Gabriel.
That's the way they beg for far away die for Christmas for your mama. Come outside, come they talk say who be that. Wait, be say audio day wait they say no wife your Nigerian no fry.
Ma, please let me quickly say this.
I bet talk. I just they tell you not defend any disgrace that give Pressure Meg, not defend. That's so President be.
To defend Dion by saying that they're not a beer hurricane. You just say, I want to know Precious Meg name when we tell the same money to her. Now Mercy Biza.
Naim.
That when they say Precious Meg, she will run out to defend herself. And now you came out for somebody you call your own brother. Somebody is destroying his name with his business name. You said that is that your name? I don't see it as bad thing. Is that right? That's not right.
Okay, wait. Okay, Osagie come they talk to Orike. Pressure Meg can't go there.
Yes.
He come they say Orike na name.
He can't come live video. Say whether Mr. Gabriel they be a hurricane, that Mr. Gabriel does not be a hurricane.
But now Orike into the talk say my brother now.
Okay. And me, I want to say this to her because she's going to hear it. And Mr. Gabe is going to call her. I don't know. I think it's not necessary for him to call him. But if you wish, it's okay. Precious Meg, your name is Mercy Biza. I have sent money to you. I have all the receipts. I'm the one doing it here. You understand? And you said the star Mr. Gabe sent to you that you have not withdrawn the money. There was a time you called Mr. Gabe that you were hungry when you were in Italy, that you want to buy pizza for your children. Did we not send you money?
Hey.
When you called Mr. Gabe and you said you want the machine you are using to do your cassava, did we not send you 400,000 to buy that machine?
Two.
There was a time Mr. Gabe buy a whole full acre of cassava farm for you. Is that not money? But you came out.
At the end of the day, the Gary na swabun one himself for Priscilla.
Okay, you came out and you are saying that I beg you know they feed me. You never do anything for me.
Me why you can pay me? My PA, you never talk the thief in it. The time where you go Nigeria when we they play where Orike go open hotel. You don't know many things where do. Go reach ticket and everything. PA talk and where.
The road is not motorable. That same road was when you took cake to a website they don't give beggar. The cake when they give you money when you bake.
You go.
You can't go that hotel. Make they go to hotel. That's so bad. It's
My
not
people,
bad.
they can't give pressure make money. Make they do cake. Now you put the test so you don't let anybody near. My brother. One woman when they do cake, even contact or case say, bros, you want open hotel or fit do one like the pressure make right. He right the woman. He know the matter. He don't right time. When you don't say the person comment and say, bros, maybe I dey do cake. I feel do cake like the pressure may just go to him boss of that woman. Just call her. That one he say, my sister, you don't come in. He said, let it be the first and last. Let it be the first and last. If I see you coming there again, I will go and report it to your husband. You crazy? Are you mad? What do you do with him? What's your business? Where me the shop now? You the cool? You know so that there's mass. I shall what the kill on. Not be smart here. The woman called the surprise. No, I say, say make it not try am. If I see you come there, I always they see you the lucky bishop. If you do am again that time, it is say if he reach Nigeria, he go do the man, he go the naked for your presence. Say that one go do. As he naked for your presence reach, that one not do. He not do. He don't fetch when me don't fetch yes. He not do. He used to talk bezaga. Oh, what I they do it. And they do it. Me no fear like you we boy no why go very no one my sister. You not do.
You so that you can continue with your show.
Because I want make you tell me more. You they cut us small. You don't say I know many.
Hurricane's marriage is 20 years and he's still with his wife.
Oh my God, 20 years.
Yeah, if Hurricane was a cheat, he will not be with his wife to date.
Oh my God.
Hurricane does not sleep. Hurricane, if you want chop frog, you go chop the way get all your better.
Thank you, my brother, for the star. God bless you.
Hurricane it does not mess up around like you. He's not a dog. Okay? Please, I want the commentator to know today that it's not this man's fault. They see him as an ATM machine and he doesn't care, but they disrespect him.
Do you see?
They'll be disrespecting him. So what do you want
Monica,
to
I'm
do?
listening. Very busy. Okay, mommy. Okay, my love.
If colleagues all the money, colleagues went out to say somebody.
Oh, thank you. Oh, Mama Emily, stand.
So colleagues. Did you know why Mr. Gabe collected his money that person was talking about?
No.
That car, Mr. Gabe said, please, use until they carry our ODD.
Okay.
When they not the waka. You understand? Police want to go and put, we just said, okay, let them rebrand the motto with your own foundation name. Mr. Gabe said, I'm going to pay. Or not to Mr. Gabe that police want to be using it for Kabu Kabu. That's why he refused to rebrand the car. So, when you know why he now said he should bring the money, he now came out and said, I don't cash out. I put gun for my head. You understand? So that was why the man, because you don't cash out. For one thing I said, I say help my people. You said you don't cash out. That was how the man said, okay, give me back my money. You understand? So,
PA, you try. Now God will bless you. No wonder Osagie they jealous you. You not see post Osagie they write for you.
No, that be me on the new PA right and
okay, I just said now you say because you say your husband there abroad. Now be what talk because
before the truth is that even if Dion come out to say Mr. Gabe is dating that lady, the lady is not married. It's not married. Okay, Mama, I want to ask you a question.
No, it's not the date time because Mr. Gabe married. More now they break married women heart. The one when we did for Two-Face now, man, you what?
You not go put up for a platform.
Exactly. Now married man cannot date a PA. No.
That's why told me. He said if my husband was not a good man, we would have not been together till this time.
Yes.
He said that's why I am not bothered. My husband cannot cheat on me. If he has that attitude, my marriage would have collapsed before now.
Not true. If I not feel succeed for what he go do for us, men where they fly. If you send them go Nigeria, go do something. I mean, okay.
So Dion, I want you to know
person like pressure Meg. You.
It's not like you. If you all of na like when I got use una Yansh they find out. You not go send una. The man know they look all those things. You know they see him because he has a beautiful wife at home. You know, the white bride stand after 2 children. The white bride stand, they not fall.
So, me with my PA, or when they yoga, but my PA. So now that one, I come pressure, me come the vest, come go. After all the betrayal, he come the open club, papa. Ama say yo
No, Precious Meg was not having with this recent PA. You know, I was not in Nigeria.
Okay.
So they told me she was not having issues with this recent PA. And I don't know if they fight. It's like it was because of maybe she doesn't like this PA, but you cannot choose who is going to work for Mr. Hurricane.
Okay, yes.
For him.
They said the day when they go open the hotel. My PA, you did there? They said Pressure May were giving attitude to people. He made the party not nice. He they pursue people for his body and he wants. Hey!
So
Let me book Benami.
I'm gonna leave Mr. Gabriel. The man is just a nice man that wants good for his people. You understand? But he doesn't like people taking him for granted. That's just his own kind of a person.
Yeah, thank you.
For her now, it's just his PA. They don't have anything. They are not doing anything.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, thank you so much.
Thank you, my lady. Bye. No wonder John Osagie not like you. Yeah. John Osagie not like you at all.
Thank you, ma.
Okay, bye-bye. My people, you see, we never see the head and the tail of the matter. I go finish the cake story. I just want to make my PA come on, make I can't tell you now. You know, say this type of matter that time, if I can't talk, it go can't be like say whether now Orike can't tell me or Pressure Make can't narrate. You understand that kind of thing? I don't want that kind of thing because Pressure Make that time he even tell me say. May I leave that one? He carry agege when your big whoa. He didn't tell me a jackpot in there. Can you imagine? Person we don't marry for 20 years. Now person we spoil in there for outside. We say people husband they do me. Now that they do my Yansh. Now that they do me. To turn at this. You go they expect such man. We work hard with the family, with the wife. Make it come follow you. Pressure me. I don't tell you say no better man. We know you what. We go put cassava for your toto. If you like, you open it down. You don't already swear your name. Now, yeah, man, like all those politicians where they use dead chicken, that they do you. All those one with shame, no, they let you bring come and do the fuck, except your own brother. The man where bring come and that they will get it to where be shot by do. Not be even the one where they knock Pressure Mango. Now, that one is brother. That's why he bring a come. The real one where they knock and shame, not go let them bring a come. Irrelevant small boys or hotel PA, what you know they call them, all those hotel boys. Make them for court for an you go say entire category they go one when so my people, the one of cake or the cake can't give Pressure May. You know, say when they go now from here, now Pressure May don't start. My brother. He can't they cut people leg and hand come on for your body. To the extent Pressure May call person when just comment or do a vabros. I go fit do this thing for you. I don't know what call they know they quarrel. So now so way Pressure May can't do it, can't follow this man, go home, say this man want go open hotel. Number one, the opening of this man hotel, my people thought through he loud as this man be pack money put rich. Pressure May make sure say no near social media people, hey, social media people. We go fit help and blow the opening of hotel. Is Pressure May give you the time. Married man, we go do business so me una tell they know how person take the bag. He won't follow you do friend but you not get your business interests. Now just make una the knack, make una the fall. Now be your plan. Not be how the business interest where you they do. How you go take day out there. So now they can't give Pressure May can say now he be event manager. Now they do everything for the man. The man give him money. Only you see when somebody still pay you money, it's not a problem. You want cheat inside. At least you go bring something where they enter. Everything where Pressure May talk say you want do for this man. No one get head, no one get it. No one get head, no one get it. The big women, where really be big women where they invite, they go the vest. What kind of show is this? Cake where Pressure May, where they give her money, may they do as this woman really talk. It be like saying a Gary, now Pressure May they do cake. They just put sugar, color, take color, and just they bring her they come. He not even put all the money, he hide all. Pressure May even testify to me, money where he make, he going to that Nigeria. But it wasn't a problem. If only the interest of the business of the man was pushed forward. It wasn't pushed forward. You just went there, you collect money. This one you say now you they do. That one now you want do. This one now you want do. That now you want do. Yet the interest of the business was not seen anywhere. Rather, you use and take collect money. You use and take gather. Where the money now? It's still there with you. You see anything where you use and take do. The man even buy a full plot of Gary to root time. He say he want start market. He go they buy Gary, they fry am. You see how pressure make they do a business. At the end, everything go fake. Everything failure. Where Gary now? Priscilla, were you able to buy any reasonable Gary from her? No. Upon say they buy land of Gary for and Gary where they don't do. Make it root time. How people take they fry am for pressure man. He go come sell and carry money. No be so man, when not fuck you, they help you rich. Yeah, take it back. So, make we go back to as the talk said the man, now bad man, he the sponsor saga, he like where they quarrel. People wake up. Can you understand it now? That the people where you they help, when they call you fool, when they take you for granted, when you they help, they go come be like say they don't believe fool. What do? You stay there? You still stay there, or you just say, you know what? I not gonna do good again. That's all I want make some people they do. Una want una swear some people good, they'll come say they know they do good again. Otherwise, you say he back up for Osagie. Later, he go to police. He reach where police, they say, give me my money back. Later, he go to pressure men. Pressure men where they just kukuma block each other. Oh yeah, get out of here, me lose the boo. You say he go to the other one. He go to the other one. But can't you see the problem? This is the problem. The PA just talk just now. They never even talk. And when me fair talk, say if not that one, I'm not sure. Say na saga instigator. No. Now the people where they do good for, now they be bad person, ungrateful element. They cheat on. If they can't cheat on, can't they ungrateful? He go move to another person. But that one go come the verse. They call a bad person. Now there he can't there because you be once make it do good for you. Make you spoil and make it not do good again. That's all I want. Una want make person do good, una go beat them, put them, come run from everybody. Another person no go come enjoy them. So as he can't go meet Collins, come they give money to Collins, now make it still tell Collins come tell himself, say, I don't cash mugu. He still start. Motorway say back for them. Use them for kabu. For elderly people. Collins say, I not put gun for your head. Now me know what I want use the motor book. Okay, the buyer say, give me my money back. You go come say that bad person. If they look for attention, how? Because now one may do good for one. As soon as beat and put nere you will say, only me miero. She say she go fit take. You are right, mommy Monicà. The people are very ungrateful. The people are ungrateful. If Osagie Gbeye say Osagie no want see am for social media again. But if the guy can still continue to do for another person, they will say na pepper there. If the guy can still that one na can still shop am, he can still start. But at the end of the day, it can't be like say, oh, wa ya. When he go continue, Abi, Iyeki romance no get, he no get what? Bobby won. Nana I read what you write where. Yeah, ashawo, sian. Nekwemu. Abeg, we give her the money back. Oh, okay, una give her the money back of the car. Na ain't do bad like that. Abi na una. Now na. He give una money to take back car. They use and carry a day. You don't buy and finish. You feel say you don't know what you want use money do. I not go use and carry a day. I go they use and make more money. That's not nice. Then he see and he say he not like her. Give me my money back. He moved to the other one. Now he money, now he know. Now he know. At least this one, now he no keep quiet like the way Abia you were keep quiet for long. When they go say Abia you were the sponsor saga, now you send them that they cause this one. He go keep quiet say yeah you sending ya. Omar ladian dossier nek be do your pa because of abuse there a boyfriend do get from Victor. Because if he can't talk, say not be me oh, I not send her like that oh, you don't fall from Victor your boyfriend hand. You don't want fall from Victor your boyfriend hand. You can't they use all of them till they raw body. I don't know why they are having issue with people. I don't know why. So Nigeria people will be lying to your face and they will think you are not. Exactly. Orike not like lies, eh? He did not give money to buy car. Please say what you know. Did you not hear it from the PA? I met the one that said it. John Ogiese, PA of Collins Rimudia. Motaya. Now so no mind now. Get shame make you they close una to no mind them. He call us. Do you get understanding of what they are doing to the man now? That is what they are doing to the man. They want the man to help them. By the time they quarrel, the man should get inside. When the man move to another place, it's a rebel. Upon not say na he get it, na you beat and put, na he can still be rebel. No good like that now. No be here to make no be me make cannot do the vaga pressure man go. Now just man wait did this and you hear EPA just now. Say he get wife for 20 years, meaning a serious person. Now serious man. Some of your husband cannot even control yourself for 20 years with one woman. Oh, yeah, I mean, no, yeah, payment. I beg you, one in Nigeria, na jari way. Hello.
Hello, Yeki. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Happy New Year.
Same to you. Uko warene.
Hey.
He miss you. He miss you. When he got your page, where he go rogue while I enjoy. Now go yo kona jo wow. Uge lady, very nice.
Thank you much.
Okay, Mama.
Okay, my little contribution in this
Okay, yeah.
Okay. When you know, for America, people wait in America, where they work for their money. If they give you ₦1, say use them for this thing, you will use them. America have the saying that say there's no free food, there's no free lunch for nobody. No lunch is free. You work for every dime you make. So if you have a purpose of doing something and they send you money to do something, you know they can't do that thing. The person will be pissed because the person is trying to help you, and you told that person this is what I want, and he's helping you, and you are diverting that money to something else.
Yes.
Americans are they can kill for that. They don't like that. You have to be truthful to American man or American woman. When they are supporting you, they support you with free heart. You understand?
Exactly.
Don't be saying you need something, they don't give you money, they support you. They tell you what you ask for the thing, they support you. For them to find out, say, what thing they support you for, another thing they do. They please people, American people work because they work for their money. There's nothing like free lunch in America. You work for every day. So if they send you money to do something, and you come out for a purpose and they send you money, and you're not using it for that purpose, they get pissed. So if the guy get pissed and ask for his refund back, why are they fighting him?
Exactly. They say he should not go to another platform after he.
If he has a mind of helping, he goes to the next person that is going to help. Okay, this one is still different from that first one. If the first one not different, you can move to the other one. Because what they do so is that it's just like what these people are doing to you.
Yes.
You don't have them beat you put.
Exactly.
And my body will stop to the do good.
Exactly. Eri idiot ika no ho ho a no magi mi ke mo danania. Egbe mo ana so e o ana stop e ese na useless elements.
If the man cannot, if the person, I believe it's a person that have a big heart, he wants to bless people. You understand? Maybe
yes.
God has blessed him. He's like, which small way I fit give back to my people. But he can't do it himself. There's an organization that is doing it. All he has to do is to support. One thing about American people that live in America or America itself, American people are very, they are so giving. They get heart of giving. When they want to give, they give.
Exactly.
You should use it for that thing. This man cannot come down and do it himself. So you cannot stop him from doing the little way of giving back to his people. So that idea of if they sponsor this, they sponsor that, me, I don't believe that. I just believe that he needs a way to bless these people, but he cannot do it himself. Because does now. Give me my money back. You give back. Why fighting him? You move.
Exactly. Right? Exactly. They will come, they fight and come, they say, if they always look for where they fight, where they quarrel with each other. It's not true. Oh my God, they had their money in where if they use and look for attention. Hello.
People, they give. This person where God don't bless, because I'll take bless, give up. I cannot do it myself. Okay, there's an organization that is doing it. I want to bless through that.
Exactly.
And you ask for that thing, and I support you. What do you ask for? Not being you to do again. I will ask my money back.
Now, so now.
Exactly. So I think that's what the guy did. So that's just my little contribution.
Thank you.
All right, then, bye.
Thank God say we see the head and the tail of this matter. Because when callers they call, in as much as I wasn't convinced, say, caller, una they talk, but I don't still understand. How will somebody be use money where we know, say, no be say the money go reach account, it go come vanish, real money. Then it go come they use until they fight people where you don't even know where they not be friend. How? That's why I make example, say, when me and pressure make the quarrel, maybe you go they give pressure make star. Is that how you think is supporting pressure make to fight me? No. You don't even know me. We are not even friends. So how he go come the support and say, beat and where over what? No. Now he friend, in their life, if they do video, it just be like me there, yes, since now. Shebi people go they give me star. In as much I don't see much people, but I know say people there, yes, since where they give me star. May God bless all of you now. Is that you will come count and say, hey, when Monica they do video, you go they give a star. Uzwa, we on we are baby kun we me no finua, u bob ye won. Abi man get him at baby ku. Eh? Our show. If people there where they even give me star, they know they even bother to whether they know where the matter they go or no. They just support my platform. They support the show. But Babele people now go even they ask say where did they see that kind of money? Because you don't get that kind of money, my sister. It not mean say some people not get oh. No, they ask people say you see person they spend money. You say by the way where they see that kind of money because you not get. Because you not get, no me say people not they way get. Because you no feel work, may you ever make can, no problem. It not be say some people no come just 5 years, they'll just work, they'll just blow. We are wonder any in America me OJ, but all wa blow. On my wa blow, where wa struggle, day. It not me say because you not get the money, come me say, not be the same UK a day, not be the same America a day, not be the same abroad a day. No. We can do the same place. But differently. Are we lying? Look at this social media where we they do. Differently. So you cannot ask people what they do by the way they see the money they give. That they see bad money. Say the person don't use the money to do is so poor. They do the digital because don't send it. They send it to you through bank, and you the receiver. It can't be bad money. If you not see what you use the money do now, you be bad person. Yes, now God know they know they mock God. Person they help you they call them fool. You not go see what you go use that money do. Person they help you, we waiting you they do. You the fee say now juju where you do now cash. You know that money not get really dey well with you. It go cause problem for you. I beg for social media. If one helper come, if they help people, if he help you, una don't quarrel. Allow him to go anywhere where you want go. There you go where. When me and some people where they pepper them for years say we don't quarrel. Una see where me attack and one day say no go give your money to anybody where you can't choose. They say because of me, they give some people 500 star. It is say me go talk. As he say I not talk, I know whatever. I'm arguing me it wrong. No. Because me and you not there again, you carry your money go where you want go. It's none of my business. It's none of my business, my dear. Mona no de doing. Now that one be your offense now. Abi another one they will be your friend. Let the go still come out now. He can't say they feed my family. He really feed your family, yes or no? He feed you, he feed your family. You come abroad many years, you know fit cash man. Now woman like you, now he be your wife for us for 20 years. Woman like you never use that one to say salo bois agbomejena. Opian we fe lele ohuogo was since 20 years. Unwe yang bisanjo. We be say now somebody husband you can't do PA follow va. At the end of the day we need go. I wish or Gabi tell you now say oh yeah now that toto way you just they come up close so mureni ge ugowa. Or give me where going and come you not say bring come as you open and reach for where it dey. Woman not see you go zip a cloth, you go say me man can zip and not be juju be that. Me marry man can zip and even if una be brother and sister all yawe ama where na my mama know your mama connection. When no when na people husband they do now they do you. Carry people husband they say me they come they zip up for you. Lock your brazier for you. Or for where no go no say breeze where they come out for there. As far as say na another man another woman husband breeze where they come out for here feed they very strange order. Yeah? Why we buwa button and what you let them know we are because we are buwa why do I so? Eh? Before man go come call person led you don't know say aye gbe ya gbezaga amay pa kon asi kan le lo gbe na mi we go we o ya kan nonsense tikabo hehe My people. Now so we see how Osagie wetin can happen. Now Priscilla be the gist of Mama, you get the video for it don't too long. Eh? Priscilla, na married ma oh. Priscilla, we no 1 year. You will constantly talk say you know year oh. Now me still the talk now oh. Because that's what we tell you that time for Osagie oh. You know year. It don't happen before you go they say I never knew it. I never knew it. Priscilla, Mr. Orike is a married man since 20 years. Married with children. No quarrel. We know 1 year can you. Because the way you contact they call the Orike just now, you may not know wait till you they call. You don't they call her. Orike, I'm going to saga you small. Come here, saga you small. Priscilla, now person, husband, you know say una no get value for people. Una no get value for husband. Mona carry man, mona te do na husband, I go say umbano. Man no good, man no good. There be shitter, there be liar, there be this, there be that. But wagam yon red no it ko yo bodoge yo to wage be your hoy. Evania Uwaji. Now people like una scatter Annie and the Two-Face now. If Two-Face not get another woman now where they tell and say you are my Africa king, don't mind there, you need peace, you deserve peace, you deserve more than Annie. He go still dead there. Now always they scatter people home. Priscilla, I beg. No scatter this our sister home. I beg. Because you always they like billionaire, millionaire, trillionaire. I beg. Go build your own. You go see, say 20 years ago, not be so this man be when one woman so free, the God that they build since. Priscilla, shift. Because you two, na giver. You were not need in young, whatever you are, boy, gay. Because you two, they give million. But the way, I be me, I put a mon asian. He say, Hurricane, come. I'm going to saga you. I'm going to saga you. But I don't understand why this if una don't they mature they go. Now so people husband would come they fall now. Why? Why give me a boy? Hey, yeah. So people husband. So people husband now come they hide they do. Why? I just say una pursue una una for be big una get man who now fit cash use money buy put am for us. But na me we una go chogo una own husband. Una go come work, una go be millionaire, trillionaire. Now people husband una see one do. Go see Oviomego where they be nina. Now people husband. So as that politician just be, he don't go America. Now America they say study. UK he can't do master. He they travel with private jet. Oh man, give me a boyfriend or boy. He not can see big guy. Carry, we never marry. Where he go build with him money. Na ni husband. Na ni husband. Na man we don't make woman crazy. I don't know. See blessing. CEO, therapist, women relationship. I do this, I do that. I see big rich. Na man where his wife put kerosene for himself. Na that one still carry. Why na me way una go big fini? Why give me your double wa? So come dere. Why? Eh? I just say women go say I want go work me and big. Make therefore carry any man turn out to their husband, any boy. Make the boy become a gala. Eh oh. Oviomego. No, like private jet. We go school for America. Do master for UK. Be a politician. You no go see another ekia we go do except married man. Oh. Me, I dey wonder. Say women, why that thing? Why? Those days when we they grow, the woman when no one stay husband, go say go carry any man, go build them. Why you be saying na so people won't they can't carry one and don't become that age? Hey Priscilla, be a bebe Orikeo. Be a be because Osagie never divorced Winifred finish that time. When you sick there, when you dead there. Be a be oh, una we sabi console people husband. If husband they cry, now una they can't console them. Una no they carry on own man, make they cry, make another person console am. You say you be big girl or there and me away. That one na go finish. It's not good. I am having date with Priscilla next week. Baba, if you carry Priscilla, we no go talk. Because we know say you did the game. Baba, we know say you did the game. You know how you will take gift to Priscilla and not go affect your own. Oh, wait, married man do it. He said, I get to say you Priscilla, if you never see here and I say marry. he marry for 20 years. Not be year marriage. Not be married where he come marry when he don't blow. Because many of una now when person don't blow now they look for husband they go. Oh, see woman miena. You bring my come UK, you pursue am. Now you dey look for Osagie wey don't blow. Osagie don't blow your Yansh. Now you want to go another one. Go carry Eno. If you carry Eno come UK, you go build Eno, give am but they go they help you the bully. You not go be partner in crime. That kind small boy then go fit shop you. You go send a message go yeah. Build Eno, bring Eno come UK, Priscilla. Go marry Eno, me two of una gather adult Osamudiame. Family go complete for you for UK for year. After all, your pikin don't grade, don't come on for us. You carry Eno enter house, carry Osamudiame as speaking. Ye kiabe show Prissy sumo. Mo te do bye. Prissy, you here now, please. So greeting to everyone, but no. I bet they no because Priscilla call because that call this crash where they don't cut her. They know they circumcise for the part of those state where she for come. They know the circumcised woman. They don't circumcise her. That's why they'll say, "Opa swa." It don't jump. You understand? That Priscilla need it. Yes, Priscilla, please go and marry Eno TV and adopt Osamu Diame and build Eno TV to be Oga. That's how women that have money build their husband later on. This one that you guys say when I get money now, still they put for people husband. Politician, where they go snatch any husband. You know the shame. You know the shame. Big guy, big woman, follow everywhere. Now to break home. Now they give you a job.